It's time for another slime review. Today I will be reviewing slimes that I bought from Snoop Slimes. I have been dying to get my hands on some of her slimes, so I'm so happy to be unboxing her slimes today. Anyways, enough of me rambling. I am going to pass you over to the voiceover. So I just took off all the bubble wrap. All of the slimes were very well packaged and professionally packaged, I might add. Look at the gorgeous stickers that are on top and on the sides of these containers. The slime care card, borax, and candies are really cute. And you're probably wondering why I put fail in the title of this review. Usually all my reviews go perfectly well, but I totally messed up on this one. I left the slimes too long before I recorded this video, so they did liquefy and I do activate them, but I did run into some problems. You'll see. It's totally all my fault. The slimes are great, but let's just get into it. So here I am activating this one, and just the problem with this one is that I don't have a clear version to show you, but it did feel very thick and stretchy, so that is great. But if you want to see it when it clears up, I will for sure be posting updates on my Instagram account at Crafty Slime Creator. And then we have pineapple shaved ice, and this one is the one where I messed up and I accidentally overactivated this. It was really sticky on top because of the two parts to the slime, so I was activating it, and then the bottom is more of a clay slime, so then when it all mixed together it was overactivated, the beads are falling out. It was a mess, but that's totally my fault, so I will definitely be purchasing again from Snoop Slimes to give this a proper review because I totally overactivated this one. But the scent is amazing, so that's good. And the charms in there are really cute. But moving on to Barbie. This slime is absolutely gorgeous, but same as the first slime, I did have to activate it, but once I activated it, it was really stretchy and nice. I don't love the scent on this one. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I just don't really love it. The color is really gorgeous though. Comment down below telling me your favorite slime shop of all time. Mine is probably Bookshelf Slimes. While you're down there, make sure you give the video a like as well so I know that you want to see more slime reviews. Next, I have French Baguette, and look at this one. It is gorgeous. Look at that red and blue, and in the middle, I think it was supposed to be white, but since I left it for so long, it has turned into a light purple, but it looks really pretty to me, so I am just going to take out the charms. There are two really adorable charms on top, and this cloud slime is on the wetter side, even when you do activate it. So here, I am just taking out of the container, so I haven't added any activator yet, but it is a wetter cloud slime. It still drizzles pretty well, but there is quite a bit of residue left on your hands because of that. So here I'm just mixing the slime together, and I do like this cloud slime a lot. It is so unique with its really cool scent as well. I can't really pinpoint it. We all know I'm really bad with naming scents, but I do love this scent. So here I'm just mixing it in. It is really pretty, and the color is great, the charms, the scent. I am not in love with the texture. I prefer a little bit of a drier cloud slime, but it is really, really fun to play with, and I didn't want to put it down after a while. I just had so much fun playing with it. So now I will let you enjoy the slime sounds. And those are all the slimes that I bought from Snoop Slimes. I haven't done a slime review for a while on this channel, but if you want to see some, I have a bunch up on IGTV. At Crafty Slime Creator is my handle on there. Make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I post another slime video. And I recommend catching up with the past slime reviews that I've done by tapping or clicking the playlist that is on your screen now. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.